All right, y'all. It is Susan, your finance manager at Landers Ford South, 95 Goodman Road East in South Haven, Mississippi. Today is Monday, October the 11th, Columbus Day. Happy Columbus Day to those who get to be off today or out for fall break with school. We are here. We are here till 7 p.m. We're always here. But want to show you the new Ford Maverick pickup truck. We have two that just landed. This is a 2021 Ford Maverick Lariat. How cute is that? It's got keyless entry, bed liner, tow. It's an all-wheel drive, so it will handle well in inclement weather that will be around the corner before we know it. Four-door. Looks like the windows are tinted. Just landed, so they've got to take off all the packaging. Smells so good and new in here. It's got great mats to it. They still got to put in. Apple CarPlay, remote start, Ford Pass, cool seats. So if you are interested in acquiring this, holler at me, 901-921-3531. Like I said, this is the all-new Ford Maverick pickup truck. And got the service team out here. They're getting ready to pre-delivery inspect them. We've also got another one over here that is an F x4 XLT. There's our team getting ready to get them pre-delivery inspected, and they are ready to go. This is the XLT F x4. Same great Ford amenities inside this. We need to sell this today, don't we, Will?
Oh, yeah.
Holler at us, and we'll be glad to put you in it. We are excited to have these. Here's the back. Nice seats. Nice cloth seats. So, you can score this now. Give me a call, 901-921-3531, or text me. What's your cell, Will?
901-598-0113.
Will Sparrow, one of our top salesmen here, y'all. We are ready to put you in this. Don't miss out. We're excited to have these. Coming to you live on Monday, October the 11th. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Columbus Day. Whoop, whoop. God bless America.